Thanks for joining us today with these short little clips. Air horn in Albuquerque, dusty bridge in Cincinnati, and a beautiful sunset for you in Illinois. Remember, give us that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, comments and questions below, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep coming along with us, trucking on the roads of America. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.